really a different beast altogether.
Allison Gill, the Forced Labor Program Director with Global Labor Justice International Labor Rights Forum, speaking with us about the new U.S. ban on cotton and tomatoes from China's Xinjiang region. Allison, thank you.
Thank you.
How to repair urban blight. Policymakers everywhere wrestle with this. In Istanbul, artists have transformed an abandoned apartment building into a temporary art exhibit. They call it Microtopia, an idealized world showing off graffiti, paintings, and sculpture in a space waiting for demolition. Duri Biscarin visited and sent us this audio postcard.
A horned wooden creature sits perched over the side of a crumbling third-floor balcony, like a skeletal gargoyle that holds a wind chime of spoons over the street below.
Like a totem, the protector sculpture for this building.
Barak Chizer created the sculpture with materials he found in the vacant apartment building that has become a museum nearly overnight.
Dediğim gibi binanın art parçaları elinden oluşturuldu.
Chizer is one of 16 artists who have turned this 4-story building in Istanbul's Fenerbahce district into an exhibit of found items and urban art. They call it Microtopia. Bright, colorful monsters with razor-sharp teeth adorn the walls of one apartment. A tree, sculpted out of a pile of discarded clothing, seems to gaze wistfully out of a hole that was once a bedroom window. In another section, a fancy parquet floor and vintage crown molding now frame the image of a soldier crouching with a sniper's gun, tied to the strings of a puppet master. Nearby, pairs of shoes sit outside an apartment door, as if they were having a party that never left. It's cold, and our feet crunch over broken glass as a family of street cats beg for attention. In a puffy jacket, Vatikan Bostanji leads me to his exhibit. He's painted textured stripes and pigments over sections of concrete relief pulled from the construction site. They're images of people, but their faces are obscured, almost murky. He calls them powerless faces.
Bu alana ilk geldiğimde buradaki hiçbir şeyin
When I first came here, he says, I felt like nothing here belonged to the present. It no longer had an owner, and I felt like nothing in this place could be right or wrong. The residents of this building, Mustachi explains, were moved temporarily while the building is demolished. They've been promised apartments in the new development, which may be taller, sleeker, or modern, but they might not match the neighborhood's original seaside feel, full of wide balconies and gardens with orange trees.
şu an çoğu başka yerde kirada biliyorum az çok.
I followed their progress because I was curious, Mustachi says. They just want this building to be demolished as soon as possible so they can live in their own homes. The project's curator is Begüm Tekai, a tiny brunette with a ceramic studio next door. Every day, she watches the reactions of the people who visit the site, especially the people who used to live here.
Deneyimleri oldu. Çok hüzünlenenler oldu. Some of them were really sad, some were really happy. Bu olanlar oldu. Their experience was important to me.
To Takai, Microtopia is a tiny version of an artist's utopia. If the world around you isn't perfect, you can create a tiny world of your own with the things you have around you. And if what you have around you is an abandoned building that might not be here tomorrow, so be it.
Şu anda yapmamız gereken what we need to do here is instead of imagining what we can't do, we should focus on what is actually possible.
Since November, Takai says, contractors tell her that the building is going to be demolished next week. Every week, she says, they don't actually come, and Microtopia lives for another day. For the world, Duri Biscarin is down.
The World comes to you each weekday from the Nan and Bill Harris studio at GBH in Boston. I'm Marco Werman. Stay safe, be healthy, and we will see you back here with more tomorrow.
The World is supported by the John D. and Catherine T. MacArthur Foundation, committed to building a more just, verdant, and peaceful world. MacFound.org. By the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, a private corporation funded by the American people. By the PRX Ambassador Council, whose members include FJC, a foundation of donor-advised funds at fjc.org, Bob Arthur and Susan Anderson, and the Bilo Chacon Family Foundation. And by the GBH Fund for Environmental Reporting, whose donors include the Franklin Foundation for the Protection of the Environment, supporting a cooperative approach to solving our critical environmental problems while we still can. The World's theme music is composed by Nan Porter.